Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while I actually made videos, and this is because I was working on myself. I was learning a couple of things, and work my job has been hectic for a while now, and I look forward to making more videos. So for those that have been calling me to ask me what's happening, why haven't you made video, I'm grateful, and I hope to make it up to you guys. But this time around, we are going to be doing hands-on coding. So we'll get a project-based coding. We get a project, then work on the project together. We fix the errors that we get, and we're going to be using other tools like ChatGPT, where we should and where. So there are going to be times when we have to choose and check some errors, Stack Overflow. So it's just going to be real life coding for real life projects to get now. So thank you, and let's get started.